Preparing a dish that is delicious and, of course, easy would be ideal and in your own kitchen. Well, here at the Side Guy Cooks, we have an easy and delicious recipe with steak tips au poivre with roasted vegetables. So let's get cooking. Let's prepare the roasted vegetables. Feel free to use your favorite veggies. Set your timer for 25 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Looks great right out of the oven. Now let's cook the steak tips. I recommend strip steak for this recipe. The following are internal temperature strip steak guidelines. And these are internal doneness guidelines for strip steaks. Let's build the dish. Don't forget the brandy. Let's get a portion of this amazing dish on a plate. Finish the dish with chopped parsley. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's have a bite. Wow, the steak tips are seared to perfection, and the au poivre sauce ensures flavor, elegance, and simplicity in every bite. And now the veggies. Yes, the veggies are roasted to go to perfection, ensuring a restaurant quality meal right in your own home. This is the perfect weeknight dish. Let me know what you think of this recipe. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video, so head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's a dish you can be proud to make and serve at home. Stay with us, watch the next videos.